With the main building almost completely gutted, it is possible to look through one side and see out the other. This won't last for long, as drywall will go up soon. The area between the computer lab and the back of the old library will be an open walkway, making a shortcut from the Welcome Center to the big playground, as well as the new extended care facilities. At the south end of the building, strips of concrete have been cut from the foundation, and trenches are being dug in order to install plumbing for the new restrooms. Blocks of concrete are stacked outside, waiting to be hauled away, where they will be ground up and recycled. Some of the interior walls are starting to take shape. The dining room is abuzz with activity. Many supplies are currently stored here. Looking up, you can see the overhead beams have been painted a handsome shade of gray. Wiring is being installed for the hanging light fixtures. The crew needed a crane, a big crane. That's because the new chiller has arrived, and it's the size of a minivan. The crane operator skillfully lowered the unit to the concrete pad, where the crew carefully guided it to its precise position. Next, the connector pipes were hoisted overhead and were guided into place. The new chiller will connect to these pumps to distribute cold water to various air conditioning units throughout the school. Tune in again for future vlogs. Windows, walls, and a new patio are coming soon.